So now we are gonna add in the ricotta cheese. How much is it? Half a cup? Half a cup. And then 2 eggs. Oh. You really want to make sure you get some on the side of the bowl.
It gives that authentic taste.
That at-home taste.
Yep. Maybe some eggshells too. A little crunch in here.
And then we'll combine that as well. I don't like to use a high mix because then I just feel like it makes a mess. So we'll do some
Orange zest and brown sugar in here.
No, cinnamon.
Oh, cinnamon, sorry. Just making my own cannoli over
Did
here.
you say how much? Or is it like a teaspoon, tablespoon? It's, yeah, 1 teaspoon vanilla. Wait, we didn't do that
No.
yet. Where are
Right
we?
there.
3/4 of a teaspoon of ground cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of fresh orange zest. I personally like cinnamon, so if you want to like do more than that, go ahead. I might sneak in some more also.
Get real confident as the shows go on.
Changing my
Well,
recipe.
see, I'm
She's
more
a
used.
baker.
I'm
She's
a baker. I like cookies. I hate cookies more than I like.
Okay, vanilla extra.
Yeah, you could add the vanilla in. Very good.
You're not supposed to drop the whole thing in.
You really want to be careful not to drop the whole thing in. I do that sometimes.
We add this part.
And then, yeah, I think
We're gonna add the salt, baking powder, baking soda, and baking flour.
Flour.
so it's 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt.
I'm just good at pouring.
And then we'll slowly add in the flour. And this is, how much flour is this? This is 2 cups of flour.
We're gonna add
What are we doing?
chocolate
Now
chip.
we're going to take it off.
Okay. Do we add the chocolate chip?
Yeah, you're going to stir it in now. You're not going to blend everything.
Let me take this off. Then you just scrape all
Yeah,
of this
scrape
off.
all that off and then add the chocolate chips and the pistachios.
Both of these chocolate chips?
No, just that big one.
All of the chocolate chips.
No, that small one is to top them. Okay, it's sticky. We're gonna fold in some of the chocolate chips.
Oh shoot. Probably should have poured it on that thing.
This is sticky. Is it supposed to be sticky? Probably, right?
Yes.
Yeah, let's
Oh
go.
my goodness. Well, we'll have one of the boys clean that. Danny, do you want to lick this?
Oh, it's good.
This is so sticky. I think we have to let it chill for like an hour in the fridge, right?
No. Does it
That's
say
what
that?
it says.
Oh, it does?
It's really like sticky, so I think it would be better consistent. Ugh.
She doesn't read the
Do
recipe.
I add the pistachio now too?
Who, me?
No, I
Mama
think
Debz
that's for
doesn't read the whole
the.
recipe.
I think
Okay, so
that's
they're going to
like
let it
top
chill. I think they've done a great job. I'm still drinking my wine. We're going to let it chill, and when we come back, the cookies will be in the oven, and we'll show you the end result.
Is there more
Serve
chocolate
with a cup
chips?
of
Yeah, there's more
chips
chocolate chips.
I like a
and
lot of
pistachios.
So we
Okay,
do
don't
put them
forget
in?
to like,
Yeah.
comment,
Wait,
share,
wait.
subscribe.
We messed up.
We have to add the
We
pistachios.
do need to add the pistachios.
Right.